Hello everyone! So I have an unboxing video for you. If you watched my unboxing of my Secret Not Secret Kit Club, the kit that I purchased for September, you'll know that I said that I was not liking the current collections, which was totally true. And then Vicki Boutin came out with Field Notes, and I love it. And so, because I have not been purchasing a lot, and because there aren't a lot of collections that I've really been liking recently, except for this one, I decided to just buy all of it. So I have an unboxing for you, and I have the entire Vicki Boutin Field Notes collection, and I am super excited to play with it. I will say this, if I buy an entire kit like this, collection like this, I do consider the fact that, do I love it enough that if it came in a click kit down the road at a future time, would I still love it? Would I want that much of it? And the answer for this one was yes, absolutely. So that's fine. Because I buy enough that even if it comes in my click kit, like, I'm okay with that. So I have all of the 12 by 12 papers. This one is called Among the Wildflowers. I thought it'd be nice to do a little unboxing for you guys. And then this gorgeous background, which is this blue that has the watercolor. And then the next one is called Abstract Moments, and it has this amazing, like, circle design. It's gorgeous. And then the back of it is another gorgeous plain. I am loving this collection because if you don't like the pattern, the backs are all these lovely, like, watercolor backgrounds that would be good for just anything. So I'm really, really happy with the collection. This is called Happy Heart. Really cute hearts. And the back is this gorgeous blue floral. I love this. It's so pretty. This one is called Simple Things. Oh, you okay?
It's morning.
It's morning.
My sinuses are clogged. What do you think?
It is, when you have a child that has some asthma and respiratory issues, this is a normal morning type of thing that we go through. All right. So this one is called Simple Things, so that it's like this little paint strokes, pretty pinks and oranges. And the back, again, has this gorgeous like watercolor background. I love this paper. I love the multicolored little coffee stains and the drips. Really cool, really fun. And then the back is this beautiful green, which is really nice as well. I'm very much liking that too. This one is called One of a Kind. I love all the papers in this collection. I must tell you, like, as I go through here, you're going to laugh because I'm going to be like, oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look, this is beautiful too. So this one is some paint stripes, all different colors, lots of colors. This is called One of a Kind. And then the back is this purple watercolor. This one is called Field Notes, and this one has all these gorgeous little pencils and pens and brushes and strokes, different things. I think this is really fun, and I actually, when I saw this paper, was thinking that it would be perfect this month in September for me to do like a school themed layout with it, because it just has that kind of school vibe. Really like it. And then the back is this green, leafy, ferny kind of floral. This one is called Wander Always. These feathers scream to me to fussy cut them. I don't know why. They're so beautiful and colorful, and I just want to fussy cut them and clump them all together on one of those gorgeous watercolor backgrounds. So the back is this really pretty flowers. Again, these also, like, I feel like I should just cut this in half, fussy cut the flowers, fussy cut the feathers, be done with that paper because it's beautiful. This one is called Take Flight, and we have all these beautiful moths. These are not butterflies, they're moths, and they appear a lot in the collection. There's a lot, I have lots of moth little things, which is awesome because to me, I am a butterfly lover, and I always view butterflies and moths as being like hearts and stars and just random embellishments. Things that can be used for anything, so I'm really happy about that. And then this other side is this beautiful kind of dotty pattern, and then all of these papers have really nice branding strips that you can cut off and use. I'm super happy about that. This one is gorgeous. This one is totally going to be a background. I love this. I want to take my pens, my Tombow pens. I really want to take my Tombow pens and like color all of those flowers. That's my plan for this paper. So the back is very nice as well, but I'm totally using this side. And that's going to be a layout really soon because I'm super excited to color all those flowers. So it's the back. And then this one is called Collect and Document. Again, this is going to be used as a background. I love this. I love that this is such, I love it. There's dedicated journaling. You can really like create a page quite easily with this kind of a setup on a page. And then the back is again one of those watercolor patterns. The last paper is called Good Stuff, and this is the cut apart sheet. Super cute. I love my mushrooms, so I'm glad that I love that there are mushrooms on this paper and that there's mushrooms in the kit. It's so pretty, and I love all these little cut apart pieces. And then the back is like this painty kind of stripey thing. So this collection is fabulous. Those are all of the 12 by 12 papers. And then I got all of the embellishments, even the chipboard. So let's look here. So we have some washi tape. There are, I think, how many washi tapes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 washi tapes that go in this collection. So there's a floral. There's all those pens and pencils and brushes. Those fun heart design. This one that says happy, laugh, hooray, love. This one is like a mixed media type of a look to it. It's really pretty. This one is a bright blue with gold foil. And this one, some of these, like, so these 4 are like a normal washi tape where they're kind of opaque, and if you put it over something, you're going to be able to see through what comes out. They're transparent. Those are transparent. These are opaque. So these are not translucent at all. So when you put them down on something, they're going to cover over what you're putting it down on top of. So there's this one, and then this one, which I think is so cool. So those are really, really fun washi tapes. I'm excited for those. Okay, next thing that I got here are the watercolor stickers. So these are customizable. You can color them, you can watercolor them, you can do anything. And these types of stickers like this are my kind of mixed media. I like a dedicated mixed media, if that makes sense. I know that sounds so crazy, but I'm not good with the packaging technique. I'm not good with making like those amazing backgrounds. It's just not something I'm really good at. I think it doesn't ever look right. But something like this, or like that one background paper where I can color with my markers or watercolor or whatever, I really like that. So in this watercolor sticker pack, you get these kind of see-through stickers. These have like a texture on top of them, so you can still paint or color over them if you want, but I kind of like the colors that they are, so I'll probably just leave them. And then this is the same way. Has these little transparent, but still some like texture on them. It's hard to describe, but really, really nice. And then you get this little piece of acetate, which I might use this coming up here because acetate is the Rediscover Your Stash product of the month. And then we have these that we can color. So these are on this like nice heavy thick watercolor paper. So you can watercolor them. You can color them with markers. You can use them white if you like. And there's lots of them. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of these very thick stickers that you can watercolor, or I'm sure you can color them with pens too if you want. And these are all numbers, which is so cool. I love that. Okay, so that's all of what is in the watercolor stickers. Then we have the puffy stickers. So there are those. And I'm going to skip. When I told you I bought all of it, I was not kidding. I bought all of it. So this is the stencils that come. So we have, there's actually 2 packs of stencils. This one has coffee mugs and those circles and some paint strips and the hearts that come with it. So we have all of that. The next one we have is these stencils that have the flowers. So you have the inside and the outside of these stencils, which is so cool because you can do like So my thought is that you could do like the outside with some iridescent paste and then place the stencil part with the details on top of that after it dries and then spray it. And it would be so cool. I'm super excited to play with those because you get both the negative and the positive, which I think is awesome. And then this is the stamp and the die set, which I got. So these are acrylic stamps, which are not my favorite, but I'll work with them because I love, 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 love the designs. Little mushroom, these gorgeous large butterflies and moths. And then you have some coordinating dies there that you can play with too. And I really love this pouch they come in. Those are awesome. That's awesome. Like, it's already contained. It's ready to go. And this is a nice thick kind of pouch. So that's awesome. Really cool. And then I got both the sets of thickers. Yes, these are chipboard. No, I'm not hugely a fan, but I'll peel them off and use them because I love, 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 love how I love the sentiments on this. I loved the colors, and I was willing to deal with the chipboard to have all these gorgeous little pieces to put on my layouts. So nice. There's a couple, like this one's all a full 12 inches. These are really cute. So I'm really happy with those. And then these are like the puffy thickers kind of. And these, again, gorgeous titling options. I love the hearts and the stars. These little smiley faces are cute. I really liked the what was on this too. I think that I can actually like use all of these for titling options. So really happy with those. No best days ever in that, right? Okay. So now there's 2 packs of embellishments. One's more ephemera, I think, and one's more like frames and stuff. And again, Vicki Boutin's, her die cuts are on this really thick, gorgeous paper. And some of them are black and white, so you can color them and play with them. So I'm super excited about that too. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and lay these out here so you guys can see what's all in this die cut pack. As I'm going through here, I'm thinking, wow, I'm glad that all of these die cuts are not huge. That's what I'm thinking, in case you were wondering. Some more titling options, which I think is awesome. Some of these are still quite big, but they're nice sizes. Like, they're all different sizes. Mushrooms. I love these. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, the mushrooms. Lots and lots of flowers. I love ones like this that are just, these would be great bases to start clusters on top of. That little bird, oh my goodness, adorable. The leaves. Find me where the wild things are, that's lovely. You can see all them. Okay, looks like you can. More of those little circles. This story. This collection is amazing. I'm so happy that someone came out with something I truly loved because the rest of the fall like options or the rest of the new releases that were coming out, I was like, you know, not really. And then right after, now that this is out, you know my love of Cocoa Vanilla, right? And now they're coming out with a new line that I love too. So I'm glad in some respects that I'm kind of a picky shopper. Like, I really have to love something to buy it. And that has a lot to do with my storage as well. Look at that bird. Oh my word. He's adorable. So these are the die cut packs. I'm just going to kind of put these over because I'm running out of space on my desk here. So there's 2 embellishment like die cut packs, and I'm not sure how you would differentiate between them, to be perfectly honest. Yeah, I'm not sure how you would do that exactly. So then there's this one. This one has 50 pieces in it, and it is like frames and tags and journaling spots and things like that. So I'll do the same thing. I'll go ahead and kind of pop these up and see what we have. These are also on that, and I'm going to drop them, apparently. You know what's awesome? They all stayed in the package. Yay! I didn't just throw die cuts all over my scrapbook room. Well, it's not my scrapbook room, it's an office, but... Alright, so here we have frames. They all kind of fit into each other. Yeah, this embellishment pack has a lot of frames. So we have those frames. And then we have a set of like circly ones. My favorite people. Do more of what makes you happy. Be the reason someone smiles today. Choose to shine. Noted. Collect beautiful moments. Today I'm excited about everything. That's awesome. Sunshine on a cloudy day. Good things take time. Reminder. These little circles. Nice journaling spot. Today, nice, banner, wonder, enjoy where you are now, cool things, make good use of today, field notes, that says cool things too. This is balance. I love these. They're very nice, actually. I'm usually not a huge fan of the frames and tags die cut pieces, but these are really nice. Lots of different kind of shapes and banners, things you don't see very often. That says happy, this says simple things. Live an adventure story, true story, relax, refresh, relax, reflect, restart. Journey, serendipity. These are really nice. I like these that have these different edges. Refresh, all good things are wild and free with the funny, awesome edge. There's no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this. Hello there. Escape the ordinary with the mushrooms. There's going to be a mushroom layout. I'm telling you guys right now. Good stuff. True story. Explore. Relax. Important facts and observations. Really like that one. Details. Really like that one too. You know how much I adore having like a dedicated journaling spot. And then this fun little watercolor notebook kit. So that's it. That's the Field Notes collection. That's all the pieces that I got, everything, and I'm super duper excited to start playing with this. So I will see you all again soon. Bye.